Welcome to the JMT.
People, we don't come back again for this our news channel. Make una do well to follow us, like and subscribe. And also don't forget to share. Now here we bring all the ogbonge story and the ogbonge gist where they come your way. Now as we dey see and now we dey talk now, they do hide and seek for this our news channel. On today's news, the Minister of FCT Wike don't call all those engineers, say make them start to work. Say either the yes story now, say the finish project where it start, say no want where this one, so the position where they give one, so be like that too. Say make them start to, in fact, say no work na problem. My people, I want to play on the video, make una hear how wicked they talk to these engineers. Make una watch this video reach the end.
Now time has come for action. First of all, on the metro line, those of you who heard what Mr. President said yesterday, he did give a marching order that he wants to ride on the metro line. And so it's a key project that we must achieve. We also have found out that a lot of residents have complained about the abandonment of projects in terms of road infrastructure. One basic thing that people understand and make a city is the road network. We're handling the issue of sanitation. We're handling the issue of street lights. We're also handling the issue of shanties and the rest of them. But the roads are very key. And so we're trying to see how we can map our strategies, structural funding, so that we don't have problems of completion. So we're determined, seriously, to make sure every contractor goes back to site. Not just going back to site with direct supervision from my office and the office of the Minister of State. The major problem we've had, or we're having in this country, is lack of supervision. We are not going to tolerate anything below standard. If there are people you have been working with who have a compromising standard, too bad. It's not with me, too bad. I'm not going to accept anything that below standard. In fact, for me, Abuja is easy to do construction here than to do construction in my state. And the rest is where you have wetland and this is very difficult. So we're going to structure how we're going to fund you, how every contractor will go back to site and do work. Ordinarily, I would have gone back to look at performance or no performance. But I felt that I don't need to go back. Let's move forward. I've agreed with my Honorable Minister of State and we have told the management we must restructure the way projects are funded. We must not fund projects depending only on the national budget. We must also fund projects also through our direct our generated revenue. It will not be palatable with everybody, but I will want to achieve results. I will not be a party to give us contracts and then there's no money to fund. We prefer, if I give not only 3 contracts, let it be 3 contracts. And then we're able to achieve. Not award 20 contracts at the end of the day, I have not achieved anyone. It doesn't make sense to me. So even the resurfacing, as we call it, I have said I'm not going to look at it. We're going to move on. And we're going to fund you, give you your money, time within which the project will be finished. Because I'm going to attach funds to it. If we agree 3 months, it's 3 months. If I agree 6 months, it's 6 months. I hear no excuses at all. Because I know that we're not going to owe. Yes, we're not going to owe. DJ